Hi YouTube, it's Dirty Dems, aka the best looking ugly kid. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm just going to do a quick piece. I'm just fitting this in before I've got to go to a job. So the time is now 8:30 in the morning. I've got approximately 2 hours to get this done and then head over to my job and make some money. Blasting it out. Right, so infill done, dark infill. It's now 9:15. I have until about 10:30, so now it's time to really sort of play with the 3D and make it shine. So yeah, we're going to get cracking on the outline and the 3D next. So I've got the 3D on now. 3D's going off diagonally to the right, and now I'm going to block in around it before I do the 3D. Okay, so we got the background of the piece just blocked out, filled out. Now I'm going to start adding the outline and the shadow, the 3D on there. Right, so I've got 10 minutes left. It's 20 past 10. I've got my 3D shadow. It's looking quite tough. Just got to add the outline, maybe a key line, and then I'm done. Okay, so the outline's on, the 3D's done. It's 10:30. I've just got enough time to bang on a quick skinny outline border, or whatever you call it. Right, so I'm just going to add some fluoro on here just to ping off this yellow, no sorry, yellow, orange I mean. Just make it brighter, more powerful. Just laying on a bit of fluoro on top to make it glow. Right guys, so we've reached the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.